What I really like about this system is there's no cart or additional hardware that's in the operatory. In fact, it's very clean and streamlined, and so there's really nothing in the way of typical drilling protocols. In addition, being able to pre-plan the surgery allows me to understand and visualize whether I'm able to follow the plan. Being able to have this in the patient's mouth, it's extremely non-invasive, and it doesn't get in the way of my ability to visualize the actual surgical site, which is one thing that I found was a drawback with using a static surgical guide, where the stent would actually cover the osteotomy site. The other thing I like about the handpiece is the only change to the handpiece is there are these little markers on it that are captured by the overhead camera, but they really don't interfere with either the weighting of the handpiece, sterilization of the handpiece, or anything else. It really is just a normal everyday implant handpiece.